Hey everybody, it's Chef Nanny Falcon. We're making my mom's famous caramel apples that she gave out every year in Wrightwood, California for about 20 years. She always added this amazing Rice Krispie bottom, and later years I added drizzled chocolate. Either way, they're completely addictive. So pick out some of the nicest apples you can find, either small ones or large ones, depending on what your purpose is. Gala, Macintosh, Granny Smith are all great. She bought the flat Kraft sticks for the apples, but you can also get the round apple sticks, usually at most grocery stores. Remove the stems and thoroughly wash and dry the apples. You will push the sticks into the top of the apple where the stem was. She used the Kraft Caramels in the bags where she would have to unwrap every single one of them, but now you can buy Kraft Caramel bits. There's a link in the description so you can go see what they look like. You will need 2 tablespoons of water for every 11-ounce bag of caramels. You'll need to melt the caramels in a double boiler, which is putting the caramels in a small pot that sits in a pot of hot water that boils beneath it so the caramels don't burn. You can keep the water on medium heat and then continue stirring the caramels in the upper boiler part until it's all melted and smooth so that it will easily coat the apples. Now you're going to grab each apple by its stick. You can set it in the bottom of the pot and spoon the caramel over each apple. Now normally you would take each apple and set it on a piece of wax paper or a plate so the caramel can cool and solidify. But my mother would plunge it into a shallow plate of Rice Krispies so it would stop the caramel from flowing. It would have a base to it and it was delicious. Because of this, I've been known to pour caramel into Rice Krispies and eat it with apple slices. Yeah, thanks Mom. This recipe is really very easy. I've included the ingredients for you. If you've had my mom's apples, please let me know in the comments, and happy Halloween!